Good morning. Another very wintry start to the day again today, as we can see at both the North Sea coast and the Irish Sea coast we have precipitation, and for our part of the world it means wintry showers for the Isle of Man, Irish Sea coast, perhaps the North Wales coast this afternoon. For the rest of us, generally a dry day with wintry sunshine, but a driving northwesterly wind will lend a very cold feel to things. 4 or 5 Celsius, feeling a good deal chillier in that northwesterly airflow. Into this evening we have to cater for a few further wintry showers feeding through on that breeze, pushing onto Irish Sea coast. Certainly as we head through overnight tonight there will be some snowfall for the Lancashire coast. As we approach dawn, everywhere can expect icy conditions with a widespread hard ground and air frost to come. Likely to cause some problems on the roads tomorrow morning. Very icy conditions and still the risk of a few wintry showers through the first part of the day. Into the afternoon, generally dry conditions. It's bitterly cold, but winds are falling a good deal lighter. 3 or 4 Celsius at best tomorrow, with a bit of brightness but more cloud than today. Looking ahead, a beautiful end to the working week. Wet and windy conditions as we go into Saturday, and a real jump up in temperatures to end the weekend. Bye-bye. Thank you. Very good afternoon to you. Further wintry showers are expected tomorrow, but in the meantime this afternoon, dry, very cold, a driving northwesterly wind, so 4 or 5 Celsius at best. There's some wintry sunshine out there, but expect icy conditions through tonight as further showers feed through on that airflow, falling as snow in 1 or 2 spots, Lancashire coast in particular, as we head towards dawn. A hard frost to come, icy stretches on the roads and an overnight low potentially of -6 in 1 or 2 sheltered spots. A wintry day tomorrow with further flurries of snow, but generally dry during the afternoon and bitterly cold again. Hello, good afternoon. The cold theme continues through the rest of this week, with wintry showers expected for the northwest of England as we head through tonight and tomorrow. Icy conditions tonight quite widely, and as we approach the weekend itself, further snowfall moving in. Low pressure in charge. The air is like a fridge across the UK, and Friday night into Saturday we'll see some snowfall in the Pennines before temperatures get a bit of a lift through the weekend. And it all reverts back to rain. Back to this evening and overnight, icy stretches on roads and pavements, wintry flurries moving through. So we'll see some deposits into tomorrow morning across perhaps the Lancashire coastline, and for all of us a very cold night, -5 or -6. We lose that pernicious northerly wind into tomorrow, but it remains very cold. A frosty start with a few wintry snow flurries feeding through Irish Sea coasts, putting down just a little bit across Lancashire to start the day. But for most places, a dry afternoon in prospect, less in the way of sunshine than today. It's bitterly cold tomorrow, 2 or 3 Celsius our top temperature, but generally dry as we end the day. A cold night tomorrow night, a beautiful chilly day on Friday before that rain band moves in through Friday night, turning to snow in the Pennines. Bye-bye. Hello again. Another very cold night to come. Temperatures well below freezing and a few wintry showers filtering through across the northwest as we head through tonight and again tomorrow. We keep the cold theme into the weekend with a band of rain moving in from the southwest and meeting the cold air on Friday night into Saturday. The leading edge of that is likely to turn to snow up in the Pennines before temperatures lift through the weekend, and it all reverts back to rain again. The details for the rest of tonight, as you can see, filtering through on the breeze. We've got a few wintry showers falling as snow across parts of Lancashire, Cumbria, maybe the odd one getting across to Greater Manchester. Very cold tonight for all of us, -5, -6 in a few spots before dawn. And icy conditions will certainly be a problem on roads and pavements, so be really careful tonight and first thing tomorrow morning, when the sun will be up at 7:50, setting at 3 minutes past 4 tomorrow afternoon. A frosty start to the day with those wintry showers, perhaps falling as snow for Preston, parts of Lancashire through the morning. Most of us having a dry day, not as much sunshine as today, and the air is like a fridge, so 3 Celsius is the best we can expect. A very cold day. Good night.